Welcome to Remarket tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to see about become a freelancer and sell your skills. Yes, freelancer. There are a lot of sites. Freelancer, Upwork, Alliance Capital and more grew like that. There are a lot of online trusted sites to earn, because I am selected here only freelancer. Yes, you can earn here a lot of, yes, doing freelance work and earn. Yes, you can do freelancer writing, graphic design, web design or development, writing softwares, programs, accounting, social media marketing, data entry, or a variety of other things. Yes, definitely you can. Best freelancer site is freelancer.com. It is best and best. Yes, it's the best online trusted site. You can earn here a lot of. So let's watch the video and watch it carefully how to do online jobs.